So we had this amazing installation last week in Cornwall in a beautiful spot near St Ives. The client chose these glorious colours, these very vibrant oranges and reds with some pops of yellow and turquoise, which suited the space perfectly. It was a double height space, but the scaffolding was taken down at the end of the installation, so it was fantastic to be able to see the finished piece in all its glory. Matt and Nick of Mainline Electrical did a fantastic job of the installation, so huge thanks to them and of course to the clients for this wonderful commission. If you have a similar space crying out for a statement chandelier, we'd love to hear ideas. We can do a visualization for you to show you what it might look like. So just drop us a message and send us a picture, and we'd love to see what we can do.